Hey guys, today we are reviewing the shower head. So this is a 7 spray pattern. It includes water savings. So I'll show you guys what you get. Stainless steel braided line. Also you get the beautiful, check out that beautiful, it's almost like a nickeled brush finish. So let's see. You turn this for different modes. So every time you turn it, you get a different mode. Absolutely stunning. They also supply you with the water tape as well. Let's see what else you get. So they supply you with the hookup, and also that would be probably for a mounting bracket. So the braided line would go through here to hold it. So it would hold it when you're not using it. Looks like they also supply you with, this might be a drain stopper, I think. Absolutely really nice kit. So with the braided line, let's go ahead and show you it. So it's fully flexible, as you guys can see. You can bend it, twist it. Pop this cap off here, pull that out. So before you thread it on, we're just showing you that it threads right on. What you do is, to seal it from leaking, is you take this tape and you run it around the washer right in here. So you run this tape around here and then you twist it on, and it might be a little hard, but that's going to help it seal so it doesn't leak. And of course then this would get put with your line. So that would be, let's see here, one of these would go connected, so it would be connected in here, and then this would get connected to your water line, your main line. And then this would run and set in like that. So that would be held just like that. Absolutely stunning. Just beautiful.